Howdy folks, Marvin Forte here from KFNW, and I'm about to pick the winners for the Early Bird free membership drawing. I'm going to choose 3 winners from November, 2 winners from December, and 1 winner from January. With that, let's get started. First, let's do November. We're going to choose 3 winners from November. And the first winner is Kegan Pankratz. How about that? We'll take Kegan's name out of the list now and do the next name. Second winner. Ashton Murdock by a hair. Congrats, Ashton. That's 2 Oregon anglers. Wow. All right, let's do the third name. Holy cow, Jason Valenton. That guy, another Oregon angler, and he's been a good winner. He won the Road Warrior Challenge last year. Congrats, Jason. All right, let's go over to December now. You'll see there's a few more names in this one. We only added 7 in December from the list in November, so all the November people are in here, and another 7. First winner for December. Andrew Janke, congratulations. I believe that's a new angler with us. We'll take him out of the list. And the next name, last one for December, is going to be Bryce Reisnaur. It was almost me, which I wouldn't have won anyway, but my name is in there. All right, congratulations, Bryce. All right, let's go to January. So we've got 1 left, just 1 for January. In January, we added another 10 people. So this is the biggest list of names on the wheel we've seen yet. And the winner is... who's it going to be? Andrew Janke. How is that even possible? He won twice, so we're not going to count that one. Let's do it one more time. Looks like Brandon Henning. All right, Brandon from Washington, congratulations. You are the last winner of the Early Bird Challenge. You will get your membership fee back. Thanks, everybody, for signing up early, and look forward to seeing you out on the water soon.